Before any installation or maintenance, let's execute a site inspection using FieldX. To start, the planner can create the work order from an existing template that contains all necessary information that has been pre-populated. It also automatically generates a related task within the work order, eliminating the need for manual task creation and assignment. This streamlines the process, allowing planners to create work orders more efficiently and easily. Once the task is created and assigned, inspectors complete the checklist to record all relevant site details before installation. Once the checklist is filled and saved, inspectors can sign off and complete the work order. The site inspection summary helps planners make informed decisions on the future coffee machine installation. And just like that, a site inspection work order was created, assigned, and executed with so much ease.